When seeing all the real estate agents on HGTV or guest speakers at events you only dream of attending, you probably think, how lucky for them, or they must have been born as a good salesman. I'm going to let you in on something. There's no skill necessary. There is, however, a secret formula that all top producers use to rise to the top. And no, it's not skill or luck. And I'm going to share it with you today. Being a top real estate agent can seem daunting to achieve or even completely out of reach if you're new. It's hard to see yourself going from A to B and imagining all the baby steps in between. First of all, there's one single formula that you can use starting today to completely change your business. This is the same formula that all top agents use. Also athletes, actors, entrepreneurs, and more. The first step, and most important, is your mindset. With a proper mindset, you can climb mountains. When soldiers are training, they learn to push beyond what their own mental limits are and ascend to the next level. A proper mindset can prepare you for anything. Your perspective on your business, the world around you, and yourself can be your shield and your best weapon. The second step is what we call follow through or taking action. This is what most people miss out on. They have all these ideas and they sit around and wait for things to happen without putting any effort in. You need to take action if you want things to change in your business or your life. Even taking small steps, small victories is one step closer than the other average agents who only do the bare minimum. Taking action can snowball into great things. Remember, the best medicine for a lack of motivation is action. And finally, the last step and the least important of the three is skill. Believe it or not, you don't need to be a great agent, a good salesperson, or a social media star. The truth is, you can learn all of these with time, patience, and coaching. Just getting started and putting in the work is key. The best way to learn is by doing. So get out there and start taking action. This is the formula for success as a top agent. I hope this was helpful and that you remember mindset, follow through, and skill. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.